Okay, in this lab, we are going to be testing how mass affects the force of friction. Here is a sample data table that you're going to need to make. The surface that we are going to test is going to be the fine sandpaper. We're just going to do it just this one time so you can see how increasing mass affects friction, but we're going to increase the number of blocks. We're going to go up to 5, and again we're going to do 3 trials for each time we add a block, and then you're going to do your average force, okay? And this time when you do your graph, you're going to graph the number of blocks versus the average force, okay? And it should make a nice little line graph for you. So we're going to start with our 1 block, and we're going to add them and go from there, okay? So we are doing just the fine sandpaper. So with 1 block, trial 1 is 1.5. Trial 2, 1.5. Trial 3 is 1.5, and this is in newtons, okay? Now, we're going to add a block on top of that. So we're going to do 2 blocks across. For trial 1, it is 2.75. Trial 2 is 2.75 newtons. And trial 3 is 2.75 newtons. Okay, so we're going to add 1 more block. So for 3 blocks, trial 1, 4.25 newtons. Trial 3, 4.5 newtons. Trial 2 is 4.5 newtons. And then trial 3 is 4.25 newtons. Okay, now we do 4 blocks. Trial 1 is 6.25 newtons. Trial 2, 6.25 newtons. And trial 3, 6.25 newtons. Okay, we're going to add the last block. Trial 1 is 7.75 newtons. Trial 2, 7.5 newtons. And trial 3, oops, go around and hold that. Okay, don't let go. All right, for trial 3, hold it tight. It is 7 newtons, 7.0 newtons. Okay, so there's your data for 1 through 5 blocks. We increased the mass each time. We did 3 trials for each one. I showed you how to do your data table, and then you'll need to do your graph to go with that. Okay? All right, and that's it. And this is lab 4.2.